I was gifted this gorgeous 3-piece set from Tripped Travel Gear. Tired of overpacking your toiletries? This 3-piece set fixes everything. Whether it's an overnight trip, a week-long escape, these 3 bags will totally have your back. First up, the hanging toiletry bag. It has mesh pockets that actually stretch, have a ton of room. It folds nice and flat. I love hanging it in a bathroom. No counter space, no problem. Then there's the makeup bag. It's got elastic slots for brushes, a wipeable lining, just in case something explodes. We've been there. And the clear TSA ready bag. It clips onto your suitcase handle, so it's easy to grab at security, no digging through your bag while holding up the line. The fabric feels soft but strong. It's got lots of zippers. This set keeps it simple, it keeps me organized, and totally cuts out the packing stress. Don't pack without it.